This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the objective, the only way you want AI to solve this problem and the metric you'll use to judge success. Once that's clear, gather 1 to 3 high-quality data sources and label representative examples so training focuses on relevant patterns. Next, pick a single focused model rather than many experiments. This keeps complexity down and speeds iteration. Make sure to set a quick baseline run immediately so you can compare improvements as you refine prompts and data. You now train and iterate. Fine-tune the chosen model on your curated examples with modest batch sizes to avoid instability. Once done, craft focused prompts that reflect the only way workflow. Use chain-of-thought reasoning selectively when the task needs stepwise logic. Make sure to monitor for concept drift and errors during training. Validate against a 10 to 20% holdout set, track precision and recall, and then adjust data or prompts based on the validation patterns you observe to converge on reliable. You finish by deploying a minimal inference pipeline with logging, a rollback flag, and clear metrics to watch. Once live, monitor latency, error rate, and user feedback so you can respond quickly. If results wander from the only way, reproduce the issue on your dev set to isolate whether it's prompts, data, or model drift. Then tighten prompts or add targeted examples rather than broad retraining. One key tip: when stuck, reduce scope and confirm the model on a small, deterministic example set first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.